Hello and welcome to Tesco.com. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the website as well as focusing in on login, the cart, creating a quote from the cart, as well as the wish list functionality. So as I begin here, you'll notice that I'm on the home page. And from the home page here, you can easily search for products or you can browse them. So to browse products, you can click on the Buy dropdown and find the different product categories that Tesco offers. So clicking within one of these sections will also drill down into that category. And from here, you can easily browse and navigate to the products. Once on this category landing page, you'll notice that we now are showing pricing while not logged in. So we're currently showing list price on the site, which is a recent update. If you want to see your account specific pricing, all you have to do is simply log in. So with that being said, I'm going to go and sign in. And here you'll notice that in order to log in, you'll need a user ID. So the user ID can be an email address or it can be just a username. So this is very important to keep in mind that your user ID could be different from your email address. If you did forget your password, you can simply click on forget or forgot reset password, and that will take you to a screen where again you'll need the user ID in order to reset your password. If your user ID is your email, that will work. But keep in mind your user ID may be different than your email address. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And as you can see, now I'm seeing my account pricing. Also, while logged in, you'll notice you're seeing availability. And something that we'll go over later is the ability to add a product to a list, but you'll see you have that capability right from the product list page. So what I'm going to do is add a couple products to my cart. And you'll notice after each add, the cart quantity increases. So before jumping over to the cart, I'm also going to quick add a SKU. So the quick add feature is very nice for those power users. So here you'll be able to enter a known Tesco SKU number and its quantity, and you can easily just add it directly to your cart. So this simplifies things, so you don't have to necessarily search for the product itself. And you'll notice that here within the cart, there's this toggle for the new cart experience. So recently we just implemented a brand new cart design. So this is the cart that we've had for a little while now. And you'll notice that this cart does break things into in stock and out of stock into separate sections. And it can be a little bit overbearing in terms of information and design. So we tried to simplify that within the new cart experience. So what I'm going to do is switch over to that new cart. And you'll notice all of the contents within my cart are still there. Now the ordering is different in that it's the natural order of which I added the products to the cart, meaning the first one added was the first SKU and the last one added is at the bottom. Additionally, you have the option to clear the cart and check out, and then you can remove each individual line item or adjust the quantity as needed. You'll also see here that before we had advisories listed out within yellow and at the top. This has been simplified to offer a little tooltips in regards to different advisories. So this product here is a non-cancelable, non-returnable item. It's also a dropship only product. So those icons will give you different advisories in regards to the product itself. Additionally, at the top, you'll see that we have a quick order summary. So you can see the subtotal, the tax, and the shipping, as well as your final total. Granted, your shipping and your tax may change as you progress through the cart, but these items are listed as a best guess based on the predefined selections. So one other thing in regards to the new cart experience. So this is actually a preference to the user. So because I've enabled the new cart, the next time I return back into the website, it will keep that setting. And the next time I land on the cart, I will see the redesign. If you do not enable the new cart, you'll continually fall to the old design. And you can easily toggle between them, and we'll just store your last chosen response and offer that as the default. At the top of the cart, you'll also notice we have some other functionality. So this one here is print quote. So what this does is it takes the contents of your cart and actually prints it into a nice printable format. So what I'm going to do is click on that. And here you can see the different the quote format. So we have the quotation number, the billing address, and the shipping address based on your account selection. And then we have a list of the SKUs, the pricing, and the total. So now jumping back to the cart, we also have the ability to add to list. So the wish list is a way to store products for future use. So what I'm going to do is just click on this. And I will add them to a new list that I'll create here. So as you place an order, your cart will empty. So after completing the order, you'll lose this cart. However, if you want to save these items for later and maybe purchase them in a future basis or on a recurring basis, you have the ability to do that by utilizing the list functionality. So to access the list functionality, simply click on the account dropdown and navigate to your list. So from here, you can see this is the list that I had created. You can create as many lists as you want. You can add the entire list to the cart. You can add individual items to the cart. You can even move the items to additional lists if you have them. You can remove or adjust the quantity as well. And that completes our demo for today in regards to the overall site experience, the cart, creating a quote from the cart, as well as the wish list functionality. Thank you.